Now we are going to enjoy a beautiful drama presented by class 7 students of Zilla Public School. The name of the drama is Forgetful Akbar and Clever Birbal. So in the first scene, we'll witness Salim, who is the son of Akbar and the Queen.
Ammi Jaan! Arre, Ammi Jaan! It's a great matter of shame. I have seen Abba Hujur is going to Diwani Khas. I have tried to stop him, but he hasn't.
What are you saying, Salim? Abba Huzur is the emperor of emperors. So obviously he will go to Diwani Khas. What is the shame in it?
Arre, Ammi Jaan! Abba Hujur has gone to Diwani Khas wearing the night suit. And is it not a matter of shame? Oh my God!
Hey Kanha ji, Salim, what will I do with this forgetful, disorganized person?
But my question is why Abba Hujur is getting and forgetting these things so much. 2 to 3 days before he was fine. Suddenly what has been happened to him?
Actually, Salim, your father fell down 2-3 days ago. You know your father's habit. He always dances and sings when he takes a bath. Last time, he slipped and fell and hit his head on the floor and lost all his memories.
Now I have no idea what is going on in Diwani Khas. Now respect will be also lost.
Hail the King Akbar! Hail the King Akbar! Hail the emperors of emperors! Jalauddin Muhammad Akbar is coming!
Give us still now.
Jahabana, you are not in the dining hall. You are in the Diwani Khas. Sit on the throne, please.
Start today's work and bring that thief before me. Now.
Yavana, the thief case was done yesterday. Today there is another case. It is about a husband-wife. The wife is claiming that her husband left her out of the house today.
Why?
Jahapana, this lady has not come to home last night. So I have told not to come on the day also.
So, thieves never come at day. They come at night. So you will also come at night. Birbal, have I told right?
Jahabana, I am not Birbal. I am Baldev.
Arey, I know he is Baldev. He is teaching me. Why, Birbal? Jahapana, I am Tansen, not Birbal. You are Tansen. Salim, is he saying right?
Yavana, he is right, but you are telling wrong.
Listen, leave it.
Okay.
So you are telling the British goldsmith has taken all your wealth?
Jahabana, that was the case before yesterday, not today. Today is about this husband and wife.
Leave it. So tell us, were you stealing for the whole night?
Jahapana, I have not stolen anything. I was at my home.
If you were at your home, then why did my guards bring you here?
Jahapana, I have come here with my wife.
What? In our infantry, women are also involved. And I have no idea about it. What are you doing, Waziri Alam? Phupa Hujur, I am not the Waziri Azam. I am the son of Baldev. Who is Baldev? Leave it. So, you are telling the British goldsmith has taken all your wealth?
My...
Jahabana, that was the case before yesterday, not today. Today is about this husband and wife.
Now what we will do, Jahabana?
You come tomorrow. I will give the judgment tomorrow.
जहापना की जय हो, जहापना की जय हो.
Oh no! The king has forgotten everything. What is going to happen now?
Now ठीक है.
Phupijan, do something. Phupajan is doing all wrong.
Exactly, Ammijan. Abba Huzur is going to be mad. Don't worry. I have asked Shahi Hakim to come. I think he has come.
What happened, Rani Sahiba? Why you have called me so urgently?
I am telling. Phupa Huzur has gone mad.
What?
Basu, shut up. No, Hakim Saab, I am telling. Exactly, Abba Huzur is forgetting everything.
How?
I am telling you.
Rani Sahiba, take it. We will cure him by this medicine. Give him little by little for thrice at a day. He will be finished.
What?
No. The problem will be finished. Okay. Now I have to go to famous Hakim to cure my cough.
Okay. Come.
Where is our servant son? Going with this coughing old Buddha?
Jahabana, first thing, he is not servant son. And second thing, he is your son. Leave it. Take this medicine. Take it little by little, 3 times at a day.
Okay, Rani Sahiba. How many times?
3 times.
Okay. Who is she? She is our Shahi Hakima, but talking like my wife. Ha. Okay, 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god! The king has taken the whole bottle of medicine in one time. What will happen next?
I can't believe that Jahapana has forgotten me. How can I forget you, Tarzan? Are you a thick of forgetfulness? Jahapana, you have called with my name. Sit down. Why not? You have this beautiful name. I should call you by your name. Have I told right, Waziri Alam? Birbal, right? Basu? Shahi Darwan, you have not hailed me today. Is everything okay? Your 3 wives and 19 children, are they okay? Arey wow! What an interesting thing, Abba Huzur. You can remember his 3 wives and 19 children also. Wow! Of course, Salim. This is my duty. I am the emperor of emperors. I should be conscious about my courtiers and all my persons. This is my duty. Okay, back to the world. So, 3 days ago, I have given the judgment on the goldsmith case, and 2 days ago about the theft case, and today I will give the judgment on this husband and wife case. So, you are telling your husband is not allowing you to enter your home. Your husband is telling that you had not come home the day before yesterday night.
Jahabana, you can remember all things?
Of course, Baldev, this is my duty. Okay, today I have been informed by my why didn't your wife had come home the day before yesterday night? Because she was nursing your ill sister who is living at your neighborhood.
What?
Yes, she was nursing your own sister. But you had told there is a problem between you and your sister. So your wife had not told you anything. Whatever it is, I salute to your wife's courage. Never judge a book by its cover.
I beg your pardon, Huzur. I have no idea about these all things. Now I am taking my wife to home with respect and care. Jahanpana ki jai ho, Jahanpana ki jai ho.
Wow, Jahapana, what a judgment! It's too good, it's too good. I've had too much fun.
Getting fun by Sahid Arwan.
Yes.
Then give me 2000 gold coins.
No, Jahapana, not too much fun I am getting that I will give you 2000 gold coins.
No, no, no. Not about the fun. I'm telling about the fun when 3 years, 14 months, 12 days and 15 seconds ago you had. About that fun. I can feel that you can remember all those things.
What are you telling about, Jahapana? I can't remember anything truly.
I am helping you. Try to remember when 3 years ago I went to Baramati forest for hunting. That time you were also with me. Suddenly a lion came to me. You all ran and rode your horses and elephants. I was taking time to ride on my elephant. I couldn't. I was standing on the ground and seeing the lion. And the lion was doing the same. And at that time, what did you tell?
It's too funny, it's too funny.
Now you can remember. You had told many other things also. You said that if you have been saved today, I will give you 2000 gold coins. Now give my 2000 gold coins.
No, Jahapana, I have told this to the lion, not to you.
Oh, you have told this to the lion.
Yes.
Then give me 2000 gold coins. I will give to the lion.
Wow! What an idea, Sehji! I mean, Papa Hujur?
Give me.
Jahanpana, you can remember the 2 old stories?
Of course, Baldev. I am the emperor of emperors. This is my duty. Okay, enough for today to remember all those old stories. Takliya.
Hail the king, hail the
1000 gold coins of the king.
The king can remember incidents of old days. Poor courtiers.
What's happening?
No, Raja Birbal. King is giving us the punishment for last 15 years. All now he can remember. And for one guilt, he has told 100 times ups and downs. The guilt we have forgotten, but he can remember how it is possible.
Actually, Jahanpana drank all the medicine at that time. And now he is remembering all old incidents.
Rani Sahiba, it has only one solution. Guard, call Sai Hakim.
Is he dead?
have come already, Raja Birbal. I have told Rani Sahiba the process of taking medicine.
Yes, I can remember. But mistakenly, I gave the bottle to Jahabana and he drank the whole medicine.
Now I have to give one bottle again.
Hey Kanhaji, what will I do now?
Rani Sahiba, take it.
Please take this medicine, Jahabana.
No. Why should I take this medicine? I am totally fine. I will not take any medicine.
Birbal, do something. Everyone always says that. Every problem ends with Birbal.
Birbal is the best.
Okay, but you all have to support me.
Yes.
Birbal, the most clever one. Now he is the one and only hope. Let's see how he solves the problem.
Phupa Hujur, one man was selling this rare Iranian medicine. What? No. Rare Iranian sharbat throughout the
Yes.
kingdom.
Sarbat.
What? Without offering that drink to our Jahabana at the very first, he's offering it to others? The real Iranian drink has come from Iran. Jahabana, only for you. You should taste it at first.
You are absolutely right, Birbal. At first, I should taste this rare Iranian sharbat. Give me. Yes. Give him first. Iranian sharbat. Now go, give to whoever you want. Why are you all standing?
You have given us the punishment for our very old deeds.
Ha! I can remember what had happened 2 days ago, and I will give the punishment for the past things. Sit down, all.
So, what do we learn from this drama? We learned that everything should have a limit, and we should know where, when, and how we have to stop ourselves. Thank you.
In this way, we have come to the end of the drama, which gives us the moral: always remember your limitations. Thank you, everyone. Now we are going to introduce our characters. Ayush Khata as King Akbar, Ayushi Shamonto as in Queen Jodha Bai, Shotum Shamonto as in Salim, Shayonton Dinda as in Birbal, Audrey Shmal as in Baldev, Orpit Roy as in Basudev, Aryan Mondol as in Tansen, Arman Pramanik as in God, Nilavro Shatra as in villager husband, Ognibhar Shahu as in villager wife, Sunando Sen as in Hakim, and Anushka Ojha as in me, the narrator. Thank you again. Have a gracious night.
Thank you.
Thank you.